Talk number 14. Veteran workers need training too. Most supervisors understand the importance of training new workers on job hazards, accident prevention rules, and personal protective equipment on their very first day. But what about veteran workers who are transferred to a new department or assigned to a different role? Too often, supervisors skip safety orientation. For experienced workers, they assume they already know what to do. That assumption leads to trouble. A promoted or transferred worker may find themselves in an unfamiliar environment, facing new kinds of hazards. In such cases, even veteran workers need safety orientation focused on basic accident prevention. This orientation should cover 4 key topics. 1. Major area hazards. Common risks include moving vehicles, suspended loads, exposed electrical conductors, toxic gases and vapors, airborne contaminants, slip and trip hazards, and nearby machinery. 2. Personal protective equipment. Supervisors must clearly explain which protective gear is required for the head, eyes, and body. They must also teach how to properly wear, maintain, and store this equipment. 3. Housekeeping responsibilities. Workers should be told how to keep the area clean and tidy, and where to dispose of waste. Delaying this information often leads workers to believe they are being asked to do extra tasks. 4. Critical safety rules. Only cover the essential rules the worker must know immediately. For example, if smoking is prohibited in the area because of fire risk, say so directly. Do not confuse safety orientation with job training. Safety orientation should focus only on key accident prevention aspects of the new assignment. Don't overload the session. People can only absorb so much at once. Detailed job training should come later, after the safety orientation. A useful approach is to prepare short outlines of key safety points. Supervisors can use these to guide orientations for transferred workers or those returning after absence. If supervisors don't prepare or use these outlines, they leave gaps in the safety barrier that should surround each worker. And wherever there's a gap, an accident may soon follow. These are practical ideas for supervisors to implement safety orientation for all workers, new or experienced. Under their watch, a farmer once went into the fields and started killing every snake he saw. When asked if that wasn't dangerous, he replied, "It is. But if I don't kill them today, while I see them and I'm ready, they may kill me tomorrow when I'm not prepared." This is a basic principle of accident prevention. Get rid of hazards before they get rid of you. Unsafe conditions hide like snakes.